On what factor the wettability of a surface by a liquid depends primarily on? To answer this question, let's analyze the factors that affect the wettability of a surface by a liquid. Wettability refers to how easily a liquid spreads across a surface, and it primarily depends on the angle of contact between the surface and the liquid. And this angle, known as the contact angle, is influenced by the intermolecular forces between the liquid and the surface molecules. Low contact angle indicates good wettability, which makes the liquid spread out on the surface, and the high contact angle indicates poor wettability. That means liquid forms droplet on the surface. The contact angle is directly affected by the surface tension and the nature of the surface, but the angle itself is the primary measure of wettability. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, angle of contact between the surface and the liquid.